Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka pertai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share yaki video jong kaneka channel.
God bless America, God bless Israel, and may God bless our unshakable alliance, our unbreakable faith.
Ay Blei Prime Minister ka Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu ya u Donald Trump. Namar ka jing nur jung Trump ban Khyrwait yaki jaka shna nuklear ka Iran. Kajing ay Blei jung u Netanyahu ya u Trump. Kalong hadin baka US kala let herbom yaki lightly ki jaka shna nuklear jong ka Iran. Ha Isfahan, ha Natanz, bat ha Nongbam Fordo. Nakaliang jung u Netanyahu. Ulayaro ya ka Amerika. Namar umdon kanu kari kabala banle kum kari Amerika. Wan sa tau record haka history bang Presiden Donald Trump ulai lek persya ya ka jing sensar ka bamatam haka perthai bade kitir thma ka bamatam haka perthai ka jinglong na yalam utrop kala tau history ba kala ïarap ya ka Middle East bade KIWEI ki BYNTA jong ka perthai bandon ka roi ka par bat ka jing song suk sung sngai u Presiden Trump bat ka United States kila Khyrwait da ka bor ka baklan u Blei kyrkhu ya ka Amerika u Blei kyrkhu ya ka Israel Blei kyrkhu ya ki parlok ki bas kem jongi bat Blei kyrkhu ya ka jinge jongi ka bomla ban penki ya kini ki kentien lapan pau da Netanyahu hadin baka US kala let herbom ya ki lightly ki jaka shna nuklear jong ka Iran.
Congratulations, President Trump. Your bold decision to target Iran's nuclear facilities with the awesome and righteous might of the United States will change history. In Operation Rising Lion, Israel has done truly amazing things. But in tonight's action against Iran's nuclear facilities, America has been truly unsurpassed. It has done what no other country on earth could do. History will record that President Trump acted to deny the world's most dangerous regime the world's most dangerous weapons. His leadership today has created a pivot of history that can help lead the Middle East and beyond to a future of prosperity and peace. President Trump and I often say, peace through strength. First comes strength, and comes peace. And tonight, President Trump and the United States acted with a lot of strength. President Trump, I thank you. The people of Israel thank you. The forces of civilization thank you. God bless America, God bless Israel, and may God bless our unshakable alliance, our unbreakable faith.